Today I will display the Galaxy J7 physical review. This handset support 5.1-inch Super AMOLED brilliant display, which is provide amazing picture quality. If we talk about processor, then this handset supported 1.5 GHz octa-core processor. Apart from that, I would like to say that the looks this phone, you'll see the metallic finish, which is provide more brilliant and more attractive looks. And the camera quality is you can see, as you see, the rear camera size is 13 megapixel and the front camera is 5 megapixel. Also this phone have front flash for brighter and clear photo and video sharing. The focal length of this camera 1.9. Now also this phone have supported quick launch button. You can see here is the quick launch button. This is the quick launch button. You can easily access your Google services. This phone also have a smart manager. The smart manager is the range of essential information of your Galaxy J7 include battery status, storage space and memory status. You can manage your temporary file, your recently activity. Now this phone have a unique features which is called power saving mode. If you think about battery backup, you need to worry. You no need to worry about the battery backup because this phone supported power saving mode. Just turning on your power saving mode and get more battery life. If now we talk about technical specification, the size of this handset, this is a 7.5 mm dimension and 78.6 mm width and 152.4 mm length. This phone support multi SIM card. You can see there is the SIM slot 1 and SIM slot 2, and you can use also memory card in this slot. Now the network configuration is this handset is supported 4G. You can use latest technology 4G LTE data speed. Now connectivity is handset supported Bluetooth A2DPA and USB 2.0 micro USB connectivity, and this is the 3.5 mm earphone jack slot for using headphone, and this is mic, and here is the speaker point. This phone doesn't support NFC and MHL and OTG. Apart from that, I would like to talk about OS. Then this phone supported OS version Android 5.1.1 Lollipop. apart from that, the RAM size or memory size is this handset. You can see the device memory of this handset storage. The internal memory is 16 GB, but accessible memory is 11.58 GB. But you can expand your memory by using memory card. This phone also support up to 128 GB memory card. Camera. This phone supported full HD resolution video, which is 1920 into 1080 at 30 fps. This is main camera resolution 13 megapixel and front camera resolution 5 megapixel. Now we talk about sensor. This phone have 3 sensor, one accelerometer, second Hall sensor, and another one in proximity sensor. Now talk about battery. As you know, this handset supported 3000 milliampere battery, which is provide better battery backup. If you use your phone in 3G data, then you can get up to 8 hours battery backup, and this is battery, and you can also remove the battery easily. As we know, previous some models are by Samsung, like A3, A5, A7. Those handsets are compact battery. You cannot access the battery by removing rear cover. As we know, this phone Samsung called this is gaming phone. So this phone already supported 10 multitask screen. Thank you.